starting to flower, so that's the good news about them. The ones in tent one are looking good. The ones that didn't like what happened when I changed the water out are still showing signs of resistance, but the others are bounced back and just doing their thing. Yeah, yeah. Then, like I said, this one's in here starting to flower, so that reminds you they're autos. They will flip over whenever they're ready. They definitely flip over when they ready. You dig? I gotta clean those out because they done died on me. So R.I.P. Felicia. Yeah, hit them with the Bob Felicia treatment. Yeah, they ain't gonna stay here, but they can go ahead and go on. Right? Right. No, appreciate the 10 likes on the video. Appreciate that part of the game. Who's that? My Linda Elliott in here. Oh yeah, shouts out to you. Y'all know Melinda Elliott's also a level 2 Buy Me a Coffee member. And y'all know this is definitely still a Buy Me a Coffee video. So, I'm glad to see one of the members came through. Shouts out to her for pulling up. Appreciate that. Definitely appreciate that part of the game. So let's see. Now, coming up, gonna light this incense. Strawberries probably ready to pull. See, I've been just saving the strawberries and letting them dry out so I can use the seeds to plant more strawberries coming up. That way I can fill out my containers. Shout out to having them containers. That's actually a decent scent. Good selection on my side. They were out of the typical money on my mind incense that we keep burning in here because we keep something for the ladies to enjoy. They like that robust burning smell or something. They like the CO2, in other words, for those that's not apprehended. Shouts out to Tuber Chat. Y'all know to go check Kevin out daily. He either has enough content for you to watch old stuff or enough new stuff for you to keep up with. Either way, he'll keep you entertained 7 days a week. Y'all know to keep up with Tuber Chat. Appreciate him for coming on through. Coming on through. We in the green room right now, Kev. Got it popping, showing y'all what the ladies doing. We were talking about how you can use Buy Me a Coffee to monetize your content on YouTube, which I don't know if you have a Buy Me a Coffee or not, but you're definitely a monetized channel, so you can definitely throw some advice at how to get things done as far as the backside that's in the back room that people don't know about. So appreciate that. To go get you some networking in over at Kevin's house also, because Tuber Chat is definitely a place for you to connect and grow and definitely get you some genuine supporters. You did, because hey, we be doing our things out here. Appreciate everybody coming through though, because you know how we did in our Buy Me a Coffee video. We were talking about Buy Me a Coffee. I showed you my Buy Me a Coffee. So hit the back button and just go back further in the video to see the parts of that where I was showing you and telling you about the work that we done put in over here from Team DWC, because that's what we do. We get it in. Shouts out to the son of Odin C Company, 2024 Auto Army. I'm doing my homework in 2025. That's why we're running through the genetics that the big homie sent me back in 2024. So, hey, he knew I was going to need a project to do coming up. So he's like, here, I shot you these. And there's multiple genetics we've been discussing and been going through. So y'all know hit rewind in the videos and go back